Hi guys, my name is Rachel. I'm one of the founders of Siesta hair extensions, and today I'm going to show you how to clip in our hair extensions in under 1 minute. First, using your Siesta hair teasing comb, create a clean section. Straight lines are important here, so take your time on this step. Clip the hair out of the way. Next, open the clips on the hair extensions. Place the extensions and clip them in. Drop your hair once the clips are all secure and you're ready to go.